Alright, there we go. It's Sunday here. It's a lot colder today compared to yesterday. We had a really warm spell here, but now it's got cold here, dear viewers. So here I am, my second cooking I'm doing here. I'm just making some shausage, nothing more right now. I got to pump the stove up, it looks like. Yeah, that's okay. I get it in a second here. But here's the shausage, making some chorizo. I think it's a Mexican, Luza, Cleveland. So I'm cooking up some sausage. So I'm gonna do is put my phone maybe here. I don't want to get no burns or anything, you know, that. Maybe put the phone here quick here, huh? How's that smell, huh? Okay, let's see what I can do here. I'll set this here, pump the stove back up. It does that when it runs. Pump the pressurized up. Okay. Don't know that dirty yellow sooty flame, yeah. Maximum heat here. Yeah, this tank only holds a pint of fuel, so it's not very big. You got concrete filled up, especially if you make long meals like I do. But it's okay. Yeah, it's going back. There we go. We're going to have some chorizo. Sausage. What's going on? Okay, so this is it here, dear viewers. Yep. This is Camp Gospel here. Here's Gospel Creek. And you see Gospel Falls right there. Wow. And here it is. It's my beautiful campsite again here. Back cooking up a storm again. Just got back and got some stuff at Mark's, some victuals. So, not too bad. Yes. Get a quick video and want to say hi to my wife. I wonder if she still watches my videos. I still watch hers. I still watch her ads too when I watch them, so she gets a little ad revenue. But I think Sister Tess, as she calls herself, instructed my wife not to speak to me no more, because my wife hasn't spoke to me in over a week now. So Sister Tess really has a lot of control over my wife. I think she made my wife her disciple, so you know, Sister Tess, that's always trying to shake people down for money continuously. Just, I know when she seen me, she thought she ran into a honeypot or something like that. She was always after me for money, trying to pressure me to give money. So, that's the kind of person this so-called Sister Tess woman is. She's a false prophetess. Get it? Prophetess. So, I don't know. It's not a good thing, so we're going to get back in here, viewers. It's cool out here. And I will be back here, dear viewers. Some more videos here. So God bless. Put this here so I can stand my camera up here. Let my sausage cook up. And I'll be back. Okay. God bless.